Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Elements Mesh Office Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad, mechanism, backrest, a pair of arms, 5-star base, gas strut, 5 casters. Part C, 6 35mm bolts. Part D, 4 20mm bolts. Part E, 6 washers. Part F, 1 Allen key. And Part H, 2 arm fixings, which are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Remove these so they can be attached later. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Next, using the 6 35mm Part C bolts and the 6 Part E washers, attach the backrest to the seat pad. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Attach the mechanism to the seat pad using 4 20mm Part D bolts, making sure the arrow on the front of the mech is pointing to the front of the chair. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Next, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Lastly, slide the armrests into the corresponding slots in the chair frame and secure with the Part H arm fixings. Each arm has height markings, which should be facing the outside. Please keep the Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it, your new Elements Mesh Office Chair from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.